Your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with meteorologist Jackson Chastain.
This is the live look at the Twin State area right now, and we've got some rain making its way through the region. We expect it to intensify as we get into the early morning hours, especially on your Sunday, but right now it's really scattered in nature, not anything that's going to cause a whole lot of ruckus or anything like that. Now, as I mentioned, you get later into the evening, maybe around 5 a.m., you start to see more of these yellows, these heavier bands of precipitation making their way through the area. And then things really kick off, not at 11 a.m., but just after that. In the afternoon, you got just basically widespread coverage with this rain. And this is what we're watching, this area down to the south right here, to get some pretty heavy rain totals making their way through the region. Now, this stuff, it'll clear out by the time you get to Monday. Monday morning, maybe the odd shower after that, but we're really, as I mentioned, we're watching the southern reaches of our viewing area because potential for some localized flash flooding. And of course, we have updates for you if anything is going to change, and things can and do change, especially when you get rain bands kind of like this. You can get northward or southward shifts, but if you don't get a lot of rain today or tomorrow, not really a big deal because you got Monday, you got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday is the first day that we actually really are not expecting anything at all. So we're kind of covering our bases this year with all this rain we've had. I think we're still about an inch above average for this time of year, and we're going to kind of stay that way based on the looks of it with all these rain chances that we're going to be dealing with. Now, as for right now, temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, plenty of cloud cover to go along with that, maybe a little bit of a light wind as well. But you get later into the evening and across the way and eastern portion of our viewing area, upper 40s to maybe low 50s across the western parts of our viewing area as well. So slight difference, but overall about the same in terms of feeling. Mid 50s for that high Sunday. Rain chances extending all the way through the day, and that's really going to be the case basically for the rest of the week. Kind of a gloomy forecast if we're being honest, but upper 40s, low 50s at times. Thankfully, these lows not sitting in the 30s at this point, so that's great news right there. Just a little bit gloomy. You're going to have to sit tight. We get to Saturday, we'll be just fine.